This is the Fit King Foot and Leg Massager. So this massage item has multiple modes and intensities, as well as being a massage device that not only covers your legs, but it basically goes all the way from your toes to your upper thighs. So a super long massage item. So this has a auto shut off after about 20 minutes. So you'll turn it on, you'll choose your intensity and what mode, and it will turn off. So if you're super relaxed, you don't even have to bother turning it off. It'll massage your feet, your calf, and your thighs. So great if you have any kind of generalized pain. You can see it is Velcro based, so you just size it up exactly to your leg size. It does allow you to extend onto the calf size if you need a larger size, which is really nice. The size from toe to upper thigh goes for about 29 inches. From toe to knee is 27 inches. It also comes with a little bag to place them in. And here's just a look as to how they fit on me. I'm about 5'4", and I've just sized them up accordingly. It pretty much just gives you a pressure feeling massage. So it's going to be air coming into these airbags, giving you a more intense squeeze if that's the selection you've selected on the device, or a just like lower moderate squeeze. So awesome if you have any kind of pain. I have really been enjoying them, and they would make a great gift as well. They run super quietly and make for a fast recovery for any kind of workouts that you've been up to. Check it out.